Hi Pisces, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of April is going to be for you. The videos are a little early. You can watch the March videos as well and take time to see what resonated with you, what didn't, and accordingly decide what are the things that you would want to follow in this month. This month is a very powerful month for you. It's a month of transition. It's a month of new beginning. It's a month of finding your light. It's the month of starting new things. It's a month of balancing your emotions and your practical life. It is the month to let go. It is the month where you can actually let go of the past, where you actually can heal your past, balance your emotions, anything that is trying to overpower you or that is a struggle in your life. If you balance yourself, if you balance that thing, if you keep that thing under your control, the life is going to be wonderful for you this month, and you have a chance to get on your soul purpose or learn your soul lesson this month. The spiritual growth is going to happen this month. This is the month where you should actually meditate, because meditation is going to be very important for you this month. I kind of feel you connecting with your guides and angels and bringing that newness or balance to your life this month. The only thing that you need to take care of this month is don't feel confused or don't feel blindfolded if you have to balance two things in your life, or if you are undergoing certain kind of emotions. It feels like you are going to be juggling between the childlike energy and a guide like energy. So these are two things or two responsibilities that you're going to juggle with, and that juggling might just confuse you for a while. So keep that in a balanced way, take that in a balanced way. Also, don't try to find out of box things this month, and if they come, be careful what you are looking at and how you're reacting to that. Also this month, ensure that you look at everything very, very clearly, the contracts, the agreements. There could be some things hidden which you don't look at earlier, and then later on you might feel or you might just have to juggle a little more or struggle a little more because you didn't see everything clearly. So this month, background check, looking at everything very clearly and looking for the hidden messages is going to be very important. If we talk about your health, I kind of don't see many problems with your health. There could be some tightness in the shoulders or some problem with like a lot of sitting or a lot of standing. Otherwise, there could be some problem with the skin. So skin related issues could be there, but other than that, I don't see much of the problems during this month for you. There could be that in the whatever issues that you had or in the beginning of the month, they will start subsiding. So whatever issues or health issues that you had, you will see an improvement from the beginning of the month itself. Maybe the first week or two could be where the little juggling will still be there, like you'll be like fine one day and not fine the other day, but slowly and gradually that will also go away. If you've been advised any kind of surgery or anything and you've been postponing it because you're emotionally not feeling comfortable, or you're feeling that how will that be or will that help or not, the cards are saying that actually don't be blindfolded, get the second opinion, and if you need to go for it, don't struggle, go for it, will work out for you. If we talk about your wealth or money this month, two cards that I have for you, one is 2 of Pentacles and another is 10 of Pentacles. So in the beginning, for first around 2 weeks, there could be some juggling with the money, but there is some money that is coming your way. This money could be from your family inheritance, this money could be from your business, this money could be the money that we're waiting for from somewhere, but the money definitely is going to flow to you. The only thing is you need to ensure that you are not being too stubborn, you are not being too confused, and you're not putting money anywhere just for the heck of it. Like, I have money, let me put it somewhere. And like I said, wherever you're putting money, look for the hidden clauses, look for the hidden things, because there will be, and later on you'll struggle with it. So just be careful. If we talk about your love or relationships, this month you need to be very, very balanced in your relationships. Why? Because I feel like there is a death card in the beginning. There could be some relationships or some situations that might be ending or that might be coming to an end, and you might just feel emotionally blindfolded, or at times very happy and at times very sad about it. There could be a literal leaving of somebody from your life, but it feels like that person was not really well and you wanted that person to go. But like I said, that there could be that confusion that did I really want him or her to go, or now the person is gone, now what do I do, or did I think that's why the person went? So those kind of things. So don't let those things overpower you. There's an energy this month where you will have to balance people from like from children to the elder ones, or there will be a possibility where you will have to balance your energies, because I feel that with the Star card and Sun and Hierophant being at the same time, the Emperor being here, there could be a possibility where you become too stubborn, where you become too focused on what you want and how you want things to happen, because the guide-like energy and child-like energy both are, and the Hierophant especially, both are the energies which they want to get the things in their own way, and when they don't happen in their own way, they feel stuck, they feel problematic. So this month, don't get into that zone. Balance your energies, balance yourself, see how the things are happening. They are happening for your best. Don't try to put everything into a different bracket, or don't expect unexpected results from anywhere or everywhere. If you want to get into a new relationship, there could be certain struggle with your relationships towards the end of the month also. That would be if you are not able to balance your emotions well. If you are thinking about a new relationship, I will not suggest that this month. Rather, this month and next month, if you work on yourself, that's going to be better. If you're looking for marriage, yes, there is a possibility beginning of the month marriage can be decided, but it feels like in between that marriage to happen and the date of decision, there could be some struggles that will be there, some juggling that will be there, some confusion that will be there, but ultimately everything will work out fine. If you're thinking about child, yes, it is a possibility to have pregnancy, but at the same time, like I said, there could be certain complications, but you don't have to be worried about the complications because they will be sorted, but you'll have to keep yourself emotionally balanced. That's important. If we talk about your job or career, this is a good month for your job or career, because if at all there has been any kind of break in your job, this month will give you another job, another position, another better situation, or another new beginning. The only thing is that you might feel that you deserve better, or you might feel that you don't have the skills to do it, or you might just juggle because you're not able to see clearly, or you might be just sitting and thinking that the job will come my way. No, you'll have to put in effort. You'll have to look at the light. You will have to go out. You will not have to look for miracles. Yes, miracles happen, but we need to put efforts first before we expect miracles. So this month, ensure that you look out, you connect with people, you go out and you find the job for yourself, and you don't feel any kind of doubt, don't have any kind of doubt on your skills. They will work for you. And it also feels like there could be a struggle situation around the end of the month between like could be team member, could be your boss, anybody, but you have the capability to kind of get that energy under control, get that person under control, or get that situation under control. Just believe in yourself, observe clearly, and then take action. If you are into business, I feel that business growth is there. Absolutely, there is some kind of gain from the business that is coming. But yeah, in the beginning, there could be little juggling. Also, there's a possibility of partnership or new partnership coming your way. The cards are saying that balanced energy is going to be very important. Don't get into partnership because you are emotional, or you're feeling emotionally for somebody, or don't get into partnership without reading everything clearly. This month, I'm telling you, something is going to come out where you've not read clearly, and then later on you struggle with the same thing. So read everything very, very clearly, whether it is a contract, agreement, anything, read everything very clearly. Otherwise, the month is good. Travel, I kind of don't see on the cards that much. In the first 2 weeks, there could be some possibility, but not much. If we talk about students, this month, what might happen is you might have chosen one path for yourself. You might have chosen one course for yourself, and then during the month, maybe first 2 weeks, you might just start thinking that should I do this, should I not do this. You might just feel something as more attractive and more better, but towards the end of the month, you will realize that what you decided was better. So connect with your guides, ask the things, keep yourself balanced, ask the right questions, see everything, get the guidance, and search everything clearly, and then take your decision. If we talk about soul path, this is the month which is telling you about soul growth. It is telling you about connecting with your angels and guides. It is the month which is saying that you have to bring in that balance in your life. You might find some guide as well, but you will have to bring balance in your life and let go of the old, let go of that is not serving you, let go of which is not working out, let go of your emotions. Balance yourself, nurture yourself, and move forward, and you will see major changes in your life. So meditations are going to be important this month. Chakra of the month, throat chakra. And throat chakra, because I kind of feel that there is this thing where you'll have to bring in more balance, where you'll be juggling between like a childlike energy and a guide-like energy, and at that time, how you say things, how you narrate things are going to be very important. So practice the chakra meditation for throat chakra, and if you can practice all chakra meditation, just 7 minutes meditation. The link is in the description box, but it is wonderfully well, and it will help you with everything that you need to kind of get the help with through this month. If we talk about mental exercise of the month, card is attachment. And if you see this attachment, she's been tied by the chain. And at times, the attachments or things that we are not able to let go, emotions that we are not able to let go, they tie us down and we are not able to move forward. We are not able to grow spiritually or otherwise in our life. So this month, just affirm, I release attachment and choose peace. I am strong, free and able to choose what honors me, and this brings happiness and abundance into my life. So do that affirmation this month. You will have to free yourself from these chains, whatever negativity you kept in yourself or whatever emotions you are not letting go. The number of the month for you is going to be number 2. Color of the month, any shade of blue is going to be good. If we talk about your surrender message, it says surrender comparisons with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness and powers. Focus on yourself this month. It is not about others. Our life is never about others. Our life is about our own self, our own journey, our own soul. The second card is surrender resentments. It says holding on to resentments only poisons you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situations in your life. Let go. Heal it. The unicorn message is also soul purpose. It says act on your soul purpose today, and this month has a lot of possibility of soul growth for you. So start doing that, start meditating. The wisdom message for you is to be fair, and this is a beautiful card which says that life is always fair. It is on us how do we see that. And I'm going to read this out to you so that you understand it more clearly. It says balance, justice, a need to consider options, mutual benefit, law of cause and effect. Life offers experiences that are challenging and experiences that are nourishing. Yet over time, they strike a balance. You move from being from static to doing, from discovering to loving to letting go to begin again. Life is a pendulum swinging between all of these states. You will always oscillate back and forth between doing and being. If you are not content with where you are at this moment, remember that all experiences have their place. Accept them without judgment and you will see how the universe adjusts in perfect balance. You reap what you sow. For every cause, there is an effect. Wondrous things will be revealed now. And that is why you need to be fair to yourself and accept the changes that are happening. What will happen if you follow the guidance? What is the angel message? The card is 9 of Aerials, 9 of Pentacles. It says your dreams are fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. A love for beautiful things in life. So definitely great success is possible this month. The complete shift is possible this month. You need to let go of attachments. You need to let go of the burdens, anything of the past that you are carrying with you. And if you can, share this video with all the Pisceans because they will undergo this situation, and if they know this, it will help them move forward in this month. Let's see what is the card for you. Message. Wow. Changes, communications, movement, everything is coming very fast in your life, and this is the time where you let these things happen, where you flow with the wind, where you flow with the movement. And if you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I want my reading. I will share my number. We'll take it forward from there. Also, there are a lot of videos on my channel about tarot learning, about soul, about very simple word. You can in very simple words you can understand a lot of things. And whenever you get time, go through the channel, go through the playlist. If you like something, leave a comment, share it with others. And if you can, subscribe the channel. I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.